Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of One Succulent at a Time. This is a special segment of my YouTube channel. For my last uploaded video, I featured Crassula perforata and explained to you some care guides and its proper propagation. Thanks for everyone who showed love and support to the first video of this special segment. I really appreciate you all. For today's video, I am going to feature another houseplant called Kalanchoe Fetchenkoi. I don't know if I pronounce it right. If you want to know my special tips of how to care and propagate this beautiful succulent, please keep watching until the end of the video. Let's get started!
I will begin this by sharing with you some interesting information about this kalanchoe. Kalanchoe fetchenkoi is native to Madagascar, which is situated off the southeast coast of Africa. It is widely sold as a house or garden plant that has established itself in the wild in some southern parts of the US. The name of the plant honors botanist Boris Fetchenkoi. You may hear it called by its common names including lavender scallops, kalanchoe stonecrop, South American airplant, and gray sedum. Kalanchoe is a low-growing perennial shrubby succulent, typically reaching 1 to 2 feet tall, with pretty flowers and compact foliage. It is a relatively easy succulent to grow as a houseplant, and it makes a great ground cover in suitable climates.
Now it's time for me to share with you some care guides for Kalanchoe. Be aware that it is so easy to overwater this plant. Overwatering is the main killer of Kalanchoe.
Make sure to allow the soil to dry out between watering. The plant also requires less water during the winter. Also remember to wait to water the plant until it begins to shrivel. Let's talk about sunlight. Whether grown indoors or outside, our kalanchoe needs lots of strong sunlight, preferably full sun for the most part, especially during the summer. Its leaves are colored metallic green and may turn pink or red under strong sunlight or drought conditions. It can tolerate temperatures below freezing for short periods if temperatures regularly drop below 25 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 4 degrees Celsius. Bring it indoors for the winter.
And for its soil, it is best to use porous soil with fast drainage to help prevent overwatering and mold growth. You may also stir in plenty of perlite or sand to improve drainage. I love using pumice as my alternative to perlite, or sometimes I combine them both. Now, let's talk about its propagation through cuttings.
Pruning shears, or if you don't have this, a pair of scissors will also do. But pruning shears is highly recommended when propagating through stem cuttings. I love my pair, which was manufactured by Friskors. I have all the information about this product in the description box below. I got this from Amazon and I provided a link as well for your convenience if you want to check it out. A chopstick. This makes planting succulents so easy, and you will see later what I'm talking about. A well-draining soil, which is a combination of cactus and succulent potting mix, perlite, pumice, and my favorite, shake and feed fertilizer from Miracle Grow. Some small racks for our top dressing to prevent our plant from shifting over time. And cinnamon powder as my rooting agent. This is as useful as hormone rooting powder. A simple application of this to the stem when you plant the cutting will stimulate root growth in almost every plant, and not just succulents. Let's go take a look at the kalanchoe that we are going to propagate today. Like most succulents, kalanchoes root easily from stem cuttings, which makes it so easy to propagate through this method. Today is the second time I will propagate from this mother plant. She has been very generous so far, and I believe the last time I propagated from this one was 3 months ago. Using our sharp pruning shears, we will gently cut the branch that we are going to propagate. Kalanchoes are best propagated through stem cuttings or offset, which usually root in about 15 to 25 days. This time, gently remove the bottom set leaves. We will plant our cuttings into our potting mix, burying the place where the leaves were growing because roots will come from their node. Then you can expect them to root within a few weeks. I did mention earlier that this is my second time to propagate from this mother plant. See those cuttings? This beautiful kalanchoe that you see on the screen is from that cutting. Let's do this one more time and propagate from this mother plant, and we will use the exact same method that we just did earlier.
Those are the ways of how to properly care and propagate kalanchoe fetchenkoi. I hope you'll all be able to apply the tips I shared with you, and you will enjoy growing and propagating kalanchoe in your backyard. If you find this video helpful, please click the like button. If you have other tips that I missed on this video, and if you have other suggestions about the next succulent that I can feature, please share them down on the comment section below. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will be kept updated when I release any new video. Thank you for watching, and remember, always do what you love.